Yo, hey, what going on YouTube? Man, it's your boy Young KD back at it again. Hey, today I got a very special video for y'all. I'm gonna be doing a $500 microphone versus a $50 microphone. Hey, right now I'm talking into the $500 microphone. Technically the mic costs $439, but hey, that's close enough to me, you feel me? But I paid $476 for it because I got it customized to be all black. The microphone comes in like a dark blue or navy blue type of color. But I thought it looked a lot more dope in the black color, so that's what I did. Versus my $50 AT2020 USB Plus. Hey, we're gonna see which one sounds better. You probably already can guess the 400 will sound better, but let's hear the big differences between the two. Yeah, man, so right now this is me talking through the $439 Roswell Mini K87. Sound nice and warm and full. Everything about it sounds pretty good, man, in my opinion. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the audio coming out this microphone right now. Hey, man, and also on an unrelated note, y'all boy let me know what presets y'all want. I'm about to start recording this shit, so y'all let me know what presets y'all want. Okay, right now, I'm about to switch over to the AT2020 USB Plus, the $50 mic, so I can hear how it sounds. Okay, cool, man. Now we got the $50 microphone plugged up. Y'all let me know how this sound compared to the $400 mic that we were just on. Hey, man, and y'all be the judge. I know for a fact this mic is a little more harsh. It's a lot less thick, you know what I'm saying? It has a lot less body to it. But hey, man, y'all be a judge of how it sounds against the other microphone. Okay, now we back on the $500 mic, whatever you want to call it. Hey, man, I hope this video helped y'all out and you can see the difference between the two. And y'all let me know in the comments, was it worth it? Is it a big difference, or is this a not that notable of a difference, or that extra $400 being spent? I feel like it's a big difference, man, but you know what I'm saying? I want to hear y'all opinions too. I'm going to catch y'all boys in the next video, you feel me? And y'all go check out my last video. I showed y'all how to connect your XLR microphone into your iPhone. Like I'm doing right now on this video. Y'all hearing everything y'all hearing is coming from my iPhone 13 Pro Max, plugged into my Scarlett interface. Alright, man, so I'm going to catch y'all boys next time.